Guys, what's up? It's Alicia. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I wanted to share with you guys my favorite deep conditioners. I'm not sure about you guys, but for me, deep conditioning is a very key factor in my wash day routine. It is so important for me. It helps to repair my hair, gives my hair a ton of moisture, and it just helps my hair to be healthy and just grow and flourish. So I definitely live by deep conditioners. I have five like go-tos that I swear by that have helped me throughout my hair journey. If you guys don't know, earlier this year my hair was just not at its best state. I was struggling with damaged hair. I had extremely damaged hair, both from heat and just not deep conditioning on a regular basis. And let me tell you guys, my hair was just terrible. It was like super brittle. It was like limp. There was no life to it at all. There was no curls. Like my whole crown area would not curl at all. So I went ahead and cut off all my damaged ends, and then I vowed to deep condition on a regular, every week basis. And I have been doing that now for like over 7 months now. And let me tell you guys, I have seen a huge difference. Yes, I have shrinkage, but for one, my hair has grown a lot. It has grown a huge amount, and not only that, but my hair is like curly all over. It hasn't been this curly since like 2014. It's been a long time, but from like the heat and the color and just all that stuff, my hair kind of lost its curl pattern, but now it is back and it is healthy as ever. Y'all, my curls are like, can y'all see that? My curls are just flourishing. I honestly contribute all that to deep conditioning because that has played a major part in my hair routine. I have stuck to it every single week and my curls are thanking me for it. So I want to go ahead and share with you guys my top 5 that I rotate every single week faithfully. So the first one is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Hair Mask. I love this one. My curls are always so soft. My curls detangle super easy, and it gives my hair a ton of moisture. Like my curls are moisturized all week long with this hair mask. This is probably my #1 go-to. I also love the Curls Blueberry Bliss Reparative Hair Mask, guaranteed to repair damage and enhance growth. And it definitely does what it says. I also love the Macadamia Natural Oil Deep Repair Mask. I learned about this one like years ago from Glam Twins, and I've been using it ever since. I get mine from TJ Maxx because they always have them for a more affordable price. But this mask is absolutely amazing as well. I use this one about once every 6 or so weeks because it is a very strong repair mask, but it does the trick. It gets my curls to pop again whenever I need some extra oomph. This is definitely my go-to deep conditioners. Another one that I love so much, I've been sticking to this one now for about 2 to 3 months now, and I swear by it. My curls, y'all, always feel so much stronger and healthier after using this. It is the Main Choice Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage and Repair Antidote Hair Mask, Balm.com. It is so great, and it has a ton of oil in it as well. So not only is your hair moisturized, but it also has a nice shine to it afterwards. So I rotate this mask pretty frequently now. And then last but not least is my favorite protein deep conditioner, and it is the Miele Organics Babassu and Mint Deep Conditioner. It is a protein and moisture mix, so it gives your hair moisture, but it also builds your hair and makes your hair stronger. I've been using this now for like a few years, probably since like 2015, I believe. It's been out for a while, and I have loved this stuff ever since it first came out on the market. Whenever my hair needs to pick me up and my curls are looking pretty dull and just dry and like lifeless and there's no curl to them at all, I will always reach for this. It is so good for natural hair. I love all these deep conditioners, and they definitely give my hair what it needs whenever I need it, so I can always rely on those 5 there. Just in case you guys did not see my deep conditioning routine video on how I deep condition my hair on a weekly basis, I love to use a steamer. Steamers work so well. Personally, for me, it gives my hair an extreme amount of moisture that I desperately need, so I mainly lean towards that. But on days that I want more heat, I will stick to using either a hothead I just bought this a few weeks ago and I love it. I just pop it in the microwave, let it warm up for a few minutes, and I'm good to go. And I also love it because I can just move around with it and not have to worry about sitting in one spot at one time. So this was definitely a great investment. And then I also love to use my bonnet dryer. This bad boy here, I have had it since like 2014, so a long time ago, but I love it. I just attached this part to a blow dryer. A little bit rusty back there, but it still works, and it just adds heat also to my deep conditioners. So I usually use this whenever I'm sitting on the couch just chilling, or in my bed. I'll just pop this bad boy on for 30 minutes or so and then take it off. And these both will give my hair the extra heat that it needs sometimes, because although I do love steam, sometimes my hair does need more heat when deep conditioning. So I'll do whatever my hair feels like it needs at that moment. No matter what, I'm deep conditioning every single week because my hair has progressed, it is transforming, and I'm loving what I'm seeing. So of course I will continue to do that to my hair. I just want to go ahead and share with you guys my favorite deep conditioners at the moment, the ones that I'm loving and rotating like crazy, because these are my ride or dies. And of course I had to share them with you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, found it helpful. If you all have a favorite deep conditioner that I did not mention, go ahead and comment them down below, because of course I want to hear them. I want to hear what you all are loving as of late. So comment those all down below. As always, you guys, I love y'all. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye guys.